All right, we are gonna get right to it. I'm actually gonna do the warm up and then go right into the workout after the warm up. That way you have both just in case. So you have just air squats for 8. So you'll do 8 air squats. Then you have the knee pulls for 8. And then you have the quad pulls for 8. And then you have the teeter totters, and you're doing 4 on each side for the teeter totters. And then after the teeter totters, you're doing the banded walks. Put the band above your knee, and then keep that chest up, bend, and you're walking 8 to the right, 8 to the left, 8 forward, and 8 backward. And then put the band around your ankles, and then you're going to be doing lateral lifts 8, and then kickbacks 8. Make sure you engage your butt when you're doing the kickbacks. And then from there, you're going to do the lying Y's and T's, doing 8 of those, and then you're going to do 8 prone cobras where you flip your palms out, keep your chin tucked, and lift 8 of those. And then you're going to do the hydrant kickbacks with the band. So pull the band up above your knee and do the hydrant, and then the kickback 8 on each leg, and then do the reach throughs. And then after the reach throughs, you're going to stand up. You're going to do the sunrise salutation, which is the 15 seconds hold here, 15 seconds here, and then 15 seconds in this position. Get that really good stretch. And that's for the warm up. And then we'll go right into the workout. You're going to have 2 strength moves for the workout, and it's going to be the single arm floor press, and then you will do a ball, squeeze the ball on the wall. I'll show you what that looks like, and it's 20 seconds on each leg. So you'll do your single arm floor press, which you've done several times before. You come down and then press up. Just make sure that you come down in a little bit of an angle. You don't want to be up here, and you don't want to be really low. So a little bit of an angle, and then drive up. You're doing 6 and 6, and then you'll hop up, and then you'll grab. You're not going to need a super heavy ball for this, so either the 10-pound slam ball or the 15-pound slam ball. Will, follow me over here. To do this, if you want to be really brave and do the 20-pound slam ball, go for it. But these are very hard. They're harder than they look. So you're going to, you need a place like maybe the column in your basement, and you're going to put the ball right above your knee on the side of your leg, and then you're going to push. You're going to like use this leg to push the ball and hold in this position for 20 seconds, pushing the ball against the wall. And then come up, do the other side, and then you're back down to the single arm floor press. Do the 4 sets of both of those back and forth. Then there's going to be a 12-minute EMOM, which is every minute on the minute. Remember that you always want 15 to 20 seconds of rest before the next minute starts, okay? So for that first minute, you'll be doing 8 weighted step-ups followed by, 8 weighted step-ups followed by the mountain climbers. So you can hold the weight goblet style and do 8 step-ups. And you don't want to go super heavy for this because it's not slow, it's faster. So you don't want to be slowed down by the amount of weight that you're holding. You could also hold 2 dumbbells here. Some people prefer that and do the step-ups that way. But it's 8 of those and 12 mountain climbers. While you get down in that straight arm push-up position, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you do 12 of those. And then you want 15 to 20 seconds before the next minute starts. The next minute you're going to be doing 8 PVC overhead squats. So I'm going to show you, you're going to use your PVCs. I'm going to use this barbell to show you what it looks like, but you'll do 8 overhead squats and then 10 banded chest press. So you would use your PVCs for this. I'm going to show you using this just because I have this and I don't have the broomstick right now. So you take that bar, you're going to activate your shoulder. So it's not like this, it's pull your shoulder blades together and then activate them. And then you're going to go down into a squat. Okay, and you're going to do, let's see, I have 8 overhead, PVC overhead squats. And then you'll do, and Nidhi, you'll do it to a chair. And then we'll have 10 banded chest press. So just have your thicker yellow band ready on the wall, and then you'll do your chest press. So you'll do overhead squat into a chest press, and then you just keep, the next minute you go back to the first 2 exercises, and the next minute you go back to the other 2 exercises, and just keep flopping back and forth. Technically it's 6 rounds of each. And then for the core, you're going to be doing 3 rounds, and you're going to have banded scissors front plank rocks and bicycles. So start with your banded scissors. So my space is becoming like your space, so everything's in the way. Just kidding. All right, so get yourself set, legs up, you're in that crunch position. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. You do 12 of the scissors, and then from there you'll do the plank rocks. So you do 8 of them. Get yourself set. So that's 1, 2, 3. All right, and then flip back over, and then you're doing 20 bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And then do that for 3 rounds, and then you are good to go.